In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Fusion 360 simulation meshing error, one of the most common issues that stops your simulation from running properly. If you've ever tried to run a simulation and Fusion 360 just fails during the meshing stage, don't worry, this is a very fixable problem once you know what to look for. I'll walk you through the main causes and step-by-step solutions so you can get your simulation working smoothly again. And if this helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Fusion 360 tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. So first, what exactly is this meshing error? Before Fusion 360 can run a simulation, it has to break your model into small elements, and this process is called meshing. If Fusion can't generate that mesh, the simulation simply won't start. This usually happens because something in your model is too complex, too small, or just not clean enough. Let's start with the most common cause, which is invalid geometry. This includes gaps, overlaps, or non-manifold bodies. To fix this, go into your model and carefully inspect it. Make sure your body is a solid, watertight shape. If you're working with multiple bodies, check that they are properly combined or intentionally separated without intersecting in a messy way. Next, very small features can easily break the mesh. Things like tiny fillets, small holes, or narrow edges can cause Fusion 360 to foul during meshing. The fix here is to simplify your model. Go ahead and remove unnecessary details that don't impact your simulation results. This not only fixes errors, but also speeds up your simulation. Another big issue is having a very complex model. If your design has too many details or sharp transitions, the meshing algorithm can struggle. In this case, again, simplification is key. Suppress or remove features that aren't critical to your analysis. Think of it as creating a simulation-friendly version of your model. If you're working with imported files like STEP or STL, these often come with hidden defects. To fix this, use Fusion 360's repair tools. You can also try re-exporting the file from the original software with cleaner settings. Sometimes just re-importing a cleaner version solves the issue instantly. Now let's talk about mesh settings. If your mesh is too fine, meaning the element size is very small, Fusion 360 may fail to generate it. Go into your simulation settings and increase the element size or switch to a coarser mesh. This reduces the computational load and often resolves the error right away. Another thing to check is body intersections. If two parts overlap incorrectly, the mesh can fail. Make sure components are either properly joined or clearly separated with no unintended intersections. So to quickly recap, simplify your model, check your geometry, repair imported files, avoid tiny features, and use a coarser mesh. These steps solve the vast majority of meshing errors in Fusion 360. And here's a quick tip to remember. Meshing errors usually happen when your model is either too complex or not clean enough, so simplifying and repairing the geometry will fix most cases. And that's it. You should now be able to fix Fusion 360 simulation meshing errors and get your analysis running successfully. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.